I'm sure we've all seen this textbook and we absolutely hate it from the core of our hearts. All these pages of just logs and sines and tans and cos. But what does it even mean? This is inverse trigonometric functions for dummies. Let's get right into it, shall we?
This is reciproc, this is neutral, and this is basic.
We built our very own series circuit. Full heartbeat happens every 0.85 seconds.
Tray is because light reflects off of the tray and enters our eyes.
Also does so because of shift and gravity.
Let's help this little koala find his way back home. And in the process, maybe we'll learn a few things about inverse trig or something. Let us suppose the koala needs to travel from point A to point B to point C. This is where the koala can call up his helpful mathematician and get to know the angle at which he can travel to A. The koala needs to travel from point A to point B and then go on to point C. It also needs to travel back to point A. We know the distance between point A to B and B to C, which is 2.5 and 3 kilometers. Therefore, using the definition of tan, we can get that the angle of tan when combined with C gives us 2.5 by 3, which is AB by BC, which is the perpendicular by base. We get 5 by 6 as tan C. Once we take tan inverse, we can actually get the tan inverse of 5 by 6 will equate to angle C. Using a calculator, we can easily get tan inverse and then we can find out the value of C, which is 9.8 degrees. It is a lot easier in real life to calculate the distance and get the angle from the distance because you can't just lie down your protractor on the ground and get the angle itself. But you can get the distance using satellite images and other new technology. Wait, these equations cannot just be used by koalas. Anybody can use these equations in real life to calculate the angle at which they need to travel at. Planes can use it in real life. Trains, people in parks, people on hikes can use it in real life. And Google Maps even uses this angle in real life. Even my cat just used it in real life to jump from my head to this bed. And I think this is where Openhouse is doing this really great job of trying to actually correlate learning to real life, and that is what makes Openhouse classes one of my favorite parts of the day. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll be seeing you maybe helping koala find its way back in the jungle. Thank you.